Alright, y'all, so today we will be demonstrating how to make your Workforce 7720 chipless so you don't have to worry about it trying to read the chips, so you won't have any problem with chips. Your printer will be chipless. I recommend you making your Sublimation printer chipless. So everybody know I have a Workforce 7720 already. I've acquired a second one. So today that's what I'm going to do with y'all. I'm going to make this chipless. I don't think we've done it on the channel yet. So we're going to go ahead and do it. Yiddy! So first things first. We're here at inkchip.net. Type it in just like that. I'll put a link in the description to send you over there to the website, so you ain't even got to worry about it. Yiddy! So once you type in inkchip.net, you're going to end up at this landing page, this home page. You're going to end up at this home page. Once you get here, you want to go over to soft, which is software, right? And here they have a list of printers that are compatible with the chipless software. So you scroll down until you find, we're doing a Workforce 7720. So here we are. This is the row that I need. They have a YouTube video that you can click on. It'll give you all the instructions how to do it. But you didn't already clicked on this YouTube video. So hopefully I can give you the information you need. Yeah, it did. But if you need more information, you go ahead and click this watch button. It's going to pull up the YouTube video to show you how to install the program and to make your printer chipless. Yeah, it is. And then this is what you're going to need. First, you're going to need to download the firmware. So you click download. We got that download. You're also going to need to download the activation software. So you want to have both of these things downloaded. And also, if you wanted to, just like you can watch the video for instructions, you can also download a software with instructions on how to install the chipless software. Yiddy! So the first thing we want to do after we got it downloaded is, well, we got to wait for it to finish downloading first. And then we're going to open it on up. Once it's downloaded, it's going to open up and you need to extract the files from it. So whatever extracting software that you have, go ahead and use that. Extract the file. Get it all pulled up out of there. You dig? That's what it's doing right now. It's extracting. We'll give it a little minute here. Right, and we're done. So, alright, boom. So here it is right here. The extracted file. Click on that. Boom, everything you need. And then you want to go down to where you see application. Double click that. It's going to start the installation process. Launching the application. You know what I'm saying? Alright, boom. So once you open it, this is the screen you're going to get. So the software allows you to update your firmware for Epson's printers, scanners, and so on, right? So you say, okay, you click next. Agree. Next. Okay, so once you get here, it's going to pull up your printer. Your printer's already connected via Wi-Fi, but I like to install my firmware. I like to use a cord, a USB cord. I just feel like it just works better that way. You can try to do it over the Wi-Fi, but my suggestion would be to use the USB. Yeah, we're going to come back to that. So we got that downloaded. We're going to come back. Once you have the software pulled up, come back to your printer. Okay, so at this point, your printer should be completely off. What we're about to do now is put the printer into firmware firmware update mode or whatever. Yeah, firmware update mode. In order to do that, you gotta hold these buttons all at one time. You gotta hold 4, 7, okay, job status, and power, all at the same time. All right, so power, job status, 4 and 7. Hold them down all at the same time until that appears. Okay, that's your firmware update. This is when you go back to your computer, to your program. Start. Yes. So the computer says it's done. It's 100%. We're gonna click finish. Now over here on the printer, you got a bunch of lights blinking there. It says that the printer should restart itself, but if the printer does not restart itself, I believe if you press 0, so you just press 0, and that would turn your printer off. Alright, so we're still getting the ink out error. So this is when you go back to your computer. When you get to that point, you're gonna need a key. You're gonna need a activation key, I shall say. So in order to get the activation key, you have to go to, you go to buy, you click buy. Buy is going to bring you to this point, and then once you get here, you find your model. We're doing a Workforce 7720, so I come down to Workforce, find it on the drop down. It is here. You say you want one, so it brings up the price for it. So in order to make the Workforce 7720 chipless, it's going to be $35 US. It may sound like a lot, but it's definitely worth it. You add it to cart. Bada boom, bada bang, bada bam. Alright, it's in your cart. Alright, boom. So this is checkout. Now once you come in here, this is where you want to apply your coupon. If you use coupon YDIG22, if you click in this coupon code YDIG22, you will get 10% off your purchase. YDIG. So go ahead, type your code in. Show you. I'm gonna show you how it works. You go here and you type in YDIG22. Apply coupon. Go through with the checkout. Check your email. It'll take a few minutes for it to get to you. Check your email. Your code will be in your email. Put that in and we'll keep moving forward. Yeti! Right. So here's where you want to go back. Open up the activation software that you downloaded from the website. That's going to open up here. Then when you get here, you want to make sure that in this drop down it says your printer. USB 2 Workforce 7720. That's it. You want to hit activate online. Boom, right here. This is where it's telling you to input your key that you purchased. So, oh, I got to go back and get my key. All right, so this is where you want to put your key that you purchased. I copied mine. I'm going to paste it there. You hit OK. Boom. That's it. Copying, writing it down. Now, when you do that, your printer should just automatically restart. That's what happened here. You hit OK. Now, this code right here, you want to copy this. This is your recovery code. So say you accidentally upgrade the firmware on your printer. You don't want to do that because it's going to erase everything you did. And you will have to buy another key in order to make it chipless again. You can avoid all that if you highlight this code down here, hit copy, and you want to save it somewhere. Save it in your notes. Back over, you're going to come back to the printer. Your printer's restarted. And here's a good example. It says a firmware update is available. Update the firmware. Do not do this. Do not do that. Close. Now, as you see, we were getting an ink error at first. Ink error no longer. Your printer is now chipless. It's saying that it's ready. It's saying that we got ink in all cartridges, and that's not true. You have successfully installed Chipless Firmware to your workforce. I'll see y'all in the next video. Yee!